Zuma is a liar. There is a catalog of lies he have made to South Africans. Go and look at them.
Jacob Zuma unamanga unesipiliyoni sokukhohlisa abantu futhi akathembakele akanawo umgogodla wokuthembeka endaweni eyodwa kubalisa umnumzane uFikile Mbalula ethi yikho konke lokho kwenza ukuthi ke abantu bengayithembi ipolitiki yabo lapha eMzansi Afrika. Uphinde ke futhi athi ke kufana nomlingo, kufana nokuphendula itshe libe isinkwa okwenziwa uJacob Zuma ephendula uFloyd ebake ngakuyena ethi ke uJacob Zuma kanamanga ekubeni ayibekade ema kwipulpiti esasela phana ke eqenjini leEFF evumelana ke nabanye ethi ke uJacob Zuma unamanga ecula ke ihubo lokuthi uJacob Zuma unamanga uthi ke kuumlingo konke lokho ukuthi ke uFloyd yena lowo usejikile ke manje usethi ke uJacob Zuma akanalo iphutha cela ukuthi ke uyizwele yonke lenkulumo.
Zuma is a liar. There is a catalog of lies he have made to South Africans. Go and look at them. He's a liar, unreliable, self-serving. And I'm saying that. Go and look at that. There's a catalog of the untruths he have said in this country to the ANC and to everybody. He's a liar, unreliable, and at the same time irresponsible. And I've got a right to say that because he's not a member of the ANC. I've got a right to say that. He is irresponsible, a liar, and he is a liar. And if he says he's not a liar, he must tell us why he's not. We will throw the book at him. He's a liar. I mean, the fact that he can turn stones into bread is unbelievable, actually. That a person like Floyd, yesterday, who saw Zuma's lies and says today is not a liar. It's unbelievable, isn't it? It's unbelievable. It's unforgettable. It's unrepentable, actually. I mean, the guy was on a pulpit in parliament, seeing Zuma's lies campaign, saw Zuma's untruths, and this is why people will never have trust in politicians. We have namhlanje rating so orange. I mean, that's what people will never trust our politics. Because politics must be defined by principle and a backbone. There's no backbone there. Tell me, where is the backbone there? There's no backbone there. There's untruths and everything else, people defending each other, making each other favors and all of that. It remains like that. And that is it. Thank you.